Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Dive and Dine. Today we'll be making Limu ahi poke, one of my favorites. We start off with 1 pound of fresh yellowfin tuna, Next necessary step is a handful of sea salt, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, premium oyster sauce. I use Kim Chee, but any good oyster sauce will do it. Next, about a tablespoon of spicy chili sauce or Kim Chee Base. Next, our friend Sriracha, just a drizzle. You can add more if you like it spicy. And then just a drizzle of chili oil. And another spicy component, togarashi. You can also substitute crushed red chili flakes instead. It's all the same. And now I like to add garlic flavored sesame seeds. You can also add black sesame seeds or toasted, or you can omit the sesame seeds. It's optional. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Inamona, kukui nut. This is a local ingredient to the Hawaiian Islands. You may not find it. And green onions. 1 whole green onion or half a green onion. I use the Noh Poke mix. It's made in Hawaii. It's just dehydrated limu ko. Limu ko is red algae or local seaweed, if you want to call it that. Now we add about a half red onion, or you can substitute Maui onion, sweet onion. And about a generous 2 tablespoons worth of pure sesame oil. Don't use the cheap sesame oil. You can taste the difference. And now we mix, and we mix it from the bottom up, the bottom of the bowl, scooping it around and incorporating the ingredients carefully though. You don't want to mangle the ahi cubes. And now we just give it a hit of Mirin or rice wine vinegar. It offsets the heat and adds a little bit of sweetness. And of course, you must sample your creation. There's no way to tell if you oversalted or if you need any other components until you've tried it. See, I wanted a little bit more soy sauce. And now you can slap it onto a plate if you want to be fancy, or you can just serve it with a scoop of rice and have a poke bowl.